Hey! In front of me is POCO C40 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. First of all, you need to open Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut and when you find it, click on it. If you can find it over here, you need to click on this little icon next to gear 1. Look for location over here, add it by clicking on this green icon. Then choose done at the top right corner and finally click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, I need to select close and when I go back, location of my smartphone is off. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same icon. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well. Scroll down and tap on location section over here. Then manage it by clicking on this sweater next to location access. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!